Good morning, students. You all were having some doubts regarding the sentence which begins from no sooner. So, for that, I'm going to do some of the questions. So, here I start. Question number one is, as soon as he saw his father, he started to cry. And we are going to begin the sentence with no sooner. So, how we are going to do? For this, we have rule no sooner did. No sooner did he see his father. With did we always use verb first form. Remember this, with did we always use verb first form. So this is verb and we have used first form of it. And instead of comma we are going to use than, THAN, not THEN. No sooner did he see his father than he started to cry. Whatever is after comma will remain same. So next we will do this with had. No sooner had he. And third form we will write, because with had we always use verb third form. See, saw, seen. No sooner had he seen his father than he started to cry. So one more sentence I will write. As soon as I got the news, I left for Mumbai. Now see what we are going to do. We are going to begin this again with no sooner. One we can do with did. No sooner did I get the news then I left for Mumbai. Same. After then whatever is written after comma will be same. Another way, no sooner had I. First form is get, second is got, and third again got. So we will write no sooner had I got the news then I left for Mumbai. I think now it is clear to all of you. No sooner plus did plus verb, subject plus verb. In this way you are going to write. Now next one, if I say as soon as he finishes his work, comma, he starts playing. Now you can see here finishes. We have written this in the present tense. Earlier two sentences which we have done, both were in the past. This and above saw also in the past. So now we are going to do this as no sooner. This is present tense, so we will write does here. Remember this, you have to see. If the verb is in the past tense, you will use did. But if the verb is in the present tense, you will use does. No sooner does he finish. You will not write finishes there. You will write finish. No sooner does he finish his work than he started playing. Starts playing. This is in the present tense. Next, no sooner. Now I'm going to start with no sooner and we will change into as soon as. No sooner did we reach the pond. No sooner did we reach the pond than the boys jumped in. Now we are going to begin this from as soon as. As soon as, what we will write now here? As soon as we, because this is written in the past tense, we will write reached. As soon as we reached the pond, and in place of comma we will write then we will write comma, and this will be same. As soon as we reached the pond, comma, the boys jumped in. Next, as soon as we enter the forest, we see tiger. Now this is again in the present tense, so we will write no sooner does. No sooner does we enter the forest, and in place of comma we will write than we see tiger. I think now it is clear to you all, and you can do it now. The assignment which I have given you for homework, you can do it easily now. So please try to do that. Thank you and have a nice day.